Hello, we are Group 14, and my name is Liam. We are being tasked with recommending a PDS system for a 190-bed addition to a resident hall in a university. The parameters we're given is that they have two alternatives they want to add, whether it be an elevator or an outdoor plaza. They have a budget of 14.8 million, and they want the project to be done within an 11th month period, and it has to be subject to abatement, which means that the project has to be able to adapt while being under construction.
Hi, I'm John, and I'm going to talk about how we came to the project delivery method. So first, we considered two delivery methods. The first one being traditional design bid build, which is considered to be like a bidding process, and it can help with the total cost within the budget. And the downside of that is we needed the time to carry out the DBB method, and that would most likely exceed the time frame. And then the other design method we considered was design build, and this method was fast, but the downside of it is it being a very high cost and the construction process being like very long, and it's also due to a lack of control in the design.
Hi, I'm Megan, and an option that we didn't consider was the public-private partnership. And that's because this method is used when there's a lack of funds from the public owner. But here in this project, the owner wanted to complete it with a fixed time frame and a budget and is not seeking any further funds or help from a private company. So that kind of method wouldn't need to be used.
So we ultimately decided to go with the construction manager at risk. And that is because with this method, we are still able to meet the deadline, but there's no open budget. So we can still stay within the budget. And with the construction management at risk, we're allowed to make necessary changes throughout the process, which would leave us open to the two alternatives. However, the conflicts that may arise are any conflicts between the CM firm and the design team over design errors or construction defects. And another downside to this method is that the building owner is at risk.
Out of the five contract methods, we decided to recommend the cost plus fixed fee with guaranteed maximum price. And on top of that, the bonus contract. So we chose this contract because it was like a good incentive for the construction process to finish very fast. And it also provides good flexibility so that projects can begin more quickly. And the downside of this is that you have to pay much more than expected for like the materials and the labor cost.
The procurement method that we recommend is the predetermined fixed budget method, and that's because of its advantages. The bidders are competing by placing as much scope as they can in their proposals, and they are selected based on qualitative and technical aspects. And the disadvantage to this method is that the selection is not primarily based on cost. How do I end it?